One mistake in your cruise cabin costs travelers over $1,000 before they even unpack. The first 20 minutes in your cabin can make or break your entire cruise. Most people toss their bags down and start unpacking. Huge mistake. I'm breaking down 11 critical things experienced cruisers do before touching a single suitcase. Some protect you from financial disasters, others from health hazards. Number 7 alone could save your vacation. Before we continue, hit subscribe for more cruise-saving tips. Let's get into it. Number 1. Put your phone in airplane mode immediately. Kill your cellular data first. Before you step through that cabin door, your phone needs airplane mode enabled. Cruise ship cellular towers charge $15 to $25 per megabyte in roaming fees. One Reddit user left data on for 7 days and got a $1,186 bill from apps updating in the background. Your phone auto-connects to the ship's maritime network the second you board. Every notification gets billed at international rates, even docked in U.S. ports. Swipe down, enable airplane mode, then manually turn Wi-Fi back on. Check settings. Ensure cellular data and data roaming are both disabled. Pro tip: screenshot your airplane mode settings as proof if your carrier tries billing you. Do this first or fund your cruise line's quarterly earnings. Number 2. Inspect for bed bugs immediately. The mattress check nobody talks about. Never let luggage touch that bed until you inspect. Bed bugs are increasingly reported on cruise ships, and once in your suitcase, they're coming home. One blogger found them day 3, reported it, and got upgraded to a suite. Set luggage in the bathroom on tile. Strip sheets and check mattress seams for tiny black dots, rust stains, or shed skins. Use your phone flashlight behind the headboard. Bugs hide in dark crevices. Check pillow seams and couch cushions. Takes 5 minutes, but if you find evidence, request a cabin change before unpacking. Pro tip: hard-sided luggage makes it nearly impossible for bed bugs to hitchhike home. 5 minutes now saves a $1,000 extermination bill later. Number 3. Document your cabin with time-stamped photos. Take photos of everything. Document every scratch, stain, and imperfection before unpacking. Cruise lines charge hundreds for pre-existing damage, and without proof, you pay. Reddit cruisers report $200 to $500 bills for damage they never caused. Start at the door, work clockwise. Carpet, walls, furniture, balcony, bathroom. Get close-ups of anything worn. Ensure photos are time-stamped. Most phones do this automatically. Film a 30-second walkthrough. One cruiser caught a cracked mirror on camera. Save $350 at disembarkation. Upload to cloud storage while you have Wi-Fi. Spot damage, report to guest services in writing through the cruise app. Don't let previous passengers' damage become your bill. Number 4. Secure valuables in the safe right now. Lock it before lunch. Your cabin isn't secure during embarkation. Stewards come and go, doors stay propped open. Passports, jewelry, medication, wallets, and car keys go in the safe immediately. One couple reported $800 cash stolen day 1 at lunch. Set a memorable code and lock everything away. Test the safe twice. Some malfunction, and you don't want to discover this at 2 a.m. Here's the mistake everyone makes: forgetting car and house keys. One traveler left keys on the desk. They vanished. He spent $400 on a locksmith at disembarkation. Pro tip: photo your safe interior with items visible and your handwritten code in the shot. Lock it now or risk police reports instead of vacation. Number 5. Test every system before you need it. The toilet test. You'll thank me for: flush the toilet, run the shower, test AC, turn on lights, and check TV before unpacking. It's 2 p.m. Maintenance can fix problems now. Wait until 2 a.m. You're stuck. One cruiser didn't report a broken toilet until day 2. Spent 3 days using public bathrooms. Flush the toilet, watch for weak flow, run shower 30 seconds, check pressure and drainage, test sink faucets. Smell sewage? Report immediately. Crank AC to coldest, listen for rattling. Feel airflow. Weak means broken compressor. Turn on every light. Test balcony door lock. Should latch securely. Pro tip: check shower for shampoo and body wash before you need them. 2 minutes of testing saves days waiting for repairs. Number 6. Find hidden storage before you unpack. Secret compartments they don't mention. Your cabin has storage spaces the cruise line won't point out. Drawers under couches, pull-down closet shelves, storage behind bathroom mirrors, compartments in ottomans. One cruiser found a hidden drawer the last day. Wasted opportunity. Lift the mattress, look for sliding platforms and hidden drawers for shoes and beach gear. Check couches for flip-up seats with storage. Behind bathroom mirrors, some swing open. Check ottomans by lifting cushions. In closets, look up for pull-down shelves. Most walls are metal. Bring magnetic hooks for hats, lanyards, and cables. The shower has a retractable clothesline. Pro tip, underbed storage is deeper than it looks. Even 26-inch suitcases fit. Find these first, maximize your 200 square feet. Number 7, meet your steward and request extras immediately. First impressions, get extra perks. Your steward makes or breaks your cruise, and passengers who introduce themselves first get priority. Within the first hour, request extras before they run out. Mattress toppers, pillows, bathrobes, towels, ice buckets. Fans. By dinner, they're gone. Ship stock limited luxury extras. First come, first served. Mattress toppers run out by 3 p.m. Bathrobes are claimed within hours. When you meet your steward, request everything. We'd love extra pillows, a mattress topper, bathrobes for 2, and daily ice. Ask about cleaning time preferences. Pro tip, don't tip day 1. It's transactional. Wait until mid-cruise based on actual service. Ask about hidden storage. Stewards know every secret drawer and shelf. One showed a guest a huge compartment under the sofa nobody knew existed. Quick warning, no requests by dinner time. Day 1 means no extras. Supplies don't restock. 3 minutes buys 7 days of exceptional service others miss. Before the next tip, hit like, subscribe for the ultimate cruise guide, and stick around for the final pro tip. Number 8, wipe down. High-touch surfaces. The remote nobody cleans. Ships flip cabins in under an hour, and remotes, light switches, and door handles get wiped quickly, if at all. One cruiser posted a photo of their remote with visible grime. Housekeeping cleans sheets thoroughly, but remotes, not so much. Bring Lysol wipes and spend 5 minutes disinfecting. Hit the TV remote first. It's the dirtiest item. Wipe light switches, door handles, phone receiver, thermostat, and bathroom faucets. Don't forget balcony handles and toilet buttons. This isn't about being a germaphobe, it's about not catching a cold day too. Ships are confined environments where viruses spread fast. Wipe the desk, nightstand, and drawer handles. Mini fridge handle and shelves too. Pro tip, wipe the safe keypad. Dozens touch those buttons. 5 minutes means you're not spending sea days with fever. Number 9, check bed configuration and request changes. Now, the gap between the beds. That king or queen bed is actually 2 twins pushed together, and you'll feel the gap. If you're a couple, this is annoying. You roll into the crack all night. Ask your steward to add a mattress topper or tight sheet that bridges the gap. Most know exactly what you mean. Don't ask day 1, 7 nights in the crack. Check firmness. Cruise mattresses are notoriously hard. Lie down 30 seconds. Feels like plywood? Request a topper immediately. They're limited. Check pillows, too flat or firm. Request feather or hypoallergenic. Ask for extras. Most cabins provide only 2. Pro tip, many newer ships eliminated top sheets, only provide duvets. Prefer a sheet? Request one immediately. One conversation gives 7 nights of comfortable sleep instead of waking sore. Number 10, remove throw pillows and stow luggage. The pillows covered in germs. Decorative throw pillows are rarely deep cleaned. They're touched by hundreds, sneezed on, sat on, but don't get laundered like sheets. Remove them immediately. Shove them on the top closet shelf or under the bed. This is about space too. Cabins are tiny and bulky pillows take up real estate. Once gone, you have more room. Unpack completely when bags arrive, then slide empty suitcases under the bed. Don't live out of your suitcase. It clutters everything. Use drawers and closets. Even 26-inch bags fit if you lift the bed frame. Pro tip, use packing cubes and drawers maximizes space. The mistake, leaving luggage out just in case. You won't need it. Unpack fully. Your cabin feels twice as large. Clear the clutter now. Have a comfortable home base. Number 11. Set up Wi-Fi and double-check airplane mode. The verification that saves thousands. You've enabled airplane mode, but now verify and connect to ship Wi-Fi properly. The trap. Some phones automatically disable airplane mode when connecting to Wi-Fi or re-enable cellular data in the background. This costs thousands even when passengers thought they were protected. Go to Settings. Manually confirm 3 things. Airplane mode on, cellular data off, data roaming off. All 3. Then connect to ship Wi-Fi using instructions in your cabin. Once connected, open your cruise app and set up your Wi-Fi package. Test by opening a browser. Pro tip, screenshot settings showing airplane mode and cellular data off. Proof if your carrier tries billing for roaming. Final warning, some apps, email, cloud photos, will sync over Wi-Fi and eat your package. Disable autosync for apps you don't need. One cruiser left Google Photos on and burned through their entire package in 2 days. Quick fix, go to cellular data usage. Disable for every app except Essentials. Double check now. Avoid a 4-figure phone bill. And now, final power tip. The first hour in your cabin sets the tone for your entire cruise. Rush through these steps and you'll spend the week dealing with problems that could have been solved immediately. But nail this checklist and you'll be the passenger who actually enjoys their vacation while everyone else runs to guest services with complaints and surprise charges. Smart cruisers know the secret isn't just what you do on board, it's what you do before you unpack. Take control in the first 20 minutes and you'll have 7 days of smooth sailing. That's the difference between a good cruise and an unforgettable one. If this helped, hit like and subscribe so you never miss a cruise hack. Drop a comment. Which tip surprised you most? I'm reading every one. Want more insider cruise tips? Check my other videos, it'll save you hundreds. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one, and happy cruising!